All right. So I wanted to talk a little bit today about the importance of lens protectors on your Insta360 cameras. Because on the other channel, I just posted a video in the last couple days about a ride that I did where I was on, it was a bike parade. And I was like, oh, it'd be really great to have my, 1 360 camera up front, one on my helmet, and then I'd have one kind of hanging off the back of the bike to get a cool kind of bike shot with the parade. That was my thought. So I ended up putting my X4 on the front so I could see it, easy to touch, and then I would just hit the record button once the parade started on it was the X3, and I would just let that run until it, the parade either ended or it filled up the card or it ran out of battery or whatever. Here's the thing: is it was sitting on the back of, not the back of my bike. It was kind of hanging on one of the saddlebag guards. I had it mounted there, and I had it tightened down as much as I could because I remember before the ride actually started, really just cranking them down because I wanted to make sure that it was going to be fine, steady. I had it on this pole, so the extended one. Now, I probably had it out, I'd say probably 2 meters. So not full extension, but about 2 meters. And probably about, and I wasn't going fast because we were in a parade. And what happened is that, I don't know if I hit a bump or whatever, but because this pole was, this was the front of the bike and this is the back, and it's kind of sitting like off, like so. And I don't know if it was because of just the length and the weight or whatever, but it slowly was doing this. And again, because it was behind me, I didn't see this slowly going down. Now, I did have it cranked as tight as I could get it. Anyways, you guys will see here in the video kind of where it started and then kind of where it ended, and it's the ending part that was the concern. So take a look. Now, what happened here is that the screen protector, this fella right here, as you can see, took a bit of damage. Yes, took a bit of damage. But when I took it off, this lens on the one side was good. The lens protector definitely did its job, and it, as far as I can tell, I caught it fairly fast. But what happened is that it hit, and then when it hit, it spun the camera around, and then it dragged on this side for a bit, which you can see is not good. And it actually wore right through the lens protector. I think it wore through the lens protector. When I took the lens protector off this side, and you can see some of the lens protector is still on there. I just haven't taken it off. I just wanted you guys to see that a lens protector was actually on there. But it cracked and shattered the lens protector. It hit, I don't want to say it hit hard, but it, because it hit the pavement and I was doing, I don't know how fast I was doing, maybe 20 kilometers. It just either shattered it or wore through it or whatever. And then it actually did this. Now, the saving grace for this camera, you may be like, well, that camera's garbage. Well, I can still shoot in 360 mode if I feel like it, because this lens is okay. Now, of course, this side of it is going to be useless. But I can also shoot in single lens mode on this to kind of save this a bit. This again, this side of it, this lens here is fine. Like the lens protector did its job on this side. So just so you guys know, if you are mounting an Insta360 camera, and honestly any camera that is behind you, that you can't necessarily see it all the time, and you are doing something that can be damaging to the lens, I would say screen protectors are a good idea. Now, I would have liked to have seen a screen protector do a bit more in regards to this, but it is what it is. Now, I have been searching around the internets to see if there's any way to possibly polish this or buff it or anything like that to get that scratch out. Now, I don't know how deep it is, but I'm going to see if it works, and in a future video, I'm going to see if I can salvage this lens or if I have to send it into Insta360 to get them to fix it. So, anyways, for those of you that are like, should I put or use lens protectors on my cameras? Simple answer is, if you're going to be doing something where there is the possibility of it falling, then I would say yes, for sure. All right, guys, quick video, but I wanted you guys to see it because that makes me sad. That does make me sad. All right, guys, we'll see you next video. Hopefully I can try to fix it. Later.